Hello, let us solve this practice test number 5. So the first question is to convert radians, degrees in radians. So basically I will divide by 180 and multiply by pi. So to do that, I need to express those values in terms of product of prime numbers. And let us first do that with 180. So you can do that on the side on scratch paper. 180 can be divided by 2. I will have 90 can be divided by 2. I will have 45. And 45 is 9 times 5. So 180 in terms of product of prime numbers will be 2 squares times 3 squared times 5. So let's keep that in mind. And let's do the same thing with 75. 75 can be divided by 5, obviously, but also by 3. Because 7 plus 5 is 12, which is divisible by 3. So I will have 25, and 25 is 5 squared. So 75 is 3 times 5 squared. Once you have that, you can answer the question. X is 75 degrees, and in radians would be 75 divided by 180 times pi. Let me express 75 as 3 times 5 squared, 180 as 2 squared times 3 squared times 5, pi, and finally my answer would be, so I'll have the pi here, 2 squared will be 4, 3 over 9 is 1/3, and 5 squared over 5 is 5 on top. So in terms of radian, I'll have 5 pi divided by 12 radian. And I will do the same thing for all of them. So y equals 225 degrees. Let me express this 225 in terms of product of prime numbers. So 225, it cannot be divided by 2, but it can be divided by 3, because 2 plus 2 plus 5 is 9. Now, 3 times 75 is 225, and I've already seen that 75 was 3 times 5 squared. So 225 in terms of product of prime numbers would be 3 squared times 5 squared. So this is what I'm going to use. 225 is 3 squared times 5 squared pi divided by 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. The 3 squared cancel, and 5 squared divided by 5 is 5. So I have 5 pi on top divided by 2 squared, which is 4. And finally, for z, which is 135 degrees, in terms of radian, it would be 135 pi divided by 180. So once again, I would have to express 135 in terms of prime numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 5 is 9, so it is divisible by 3. So 3 times 45 is 135. So in 45 is 3 times 15, which is 3 times 5. So 135 degrees is 3 cubed times 5. So if I simplify this fraction now, 3 cubed times 5 pi divided by 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. I just have to simplify. So 3 cubed divided by 3 squared is just 3. The 5 square, the 5 cancel out. And so I will have 3 over 4 pi radian.